Now this is a Seaford swing bridge. Now this bridge is built in 1929 and um, carries Norfolk Southern Railroad, crosses the Norfolk River in Seaford, Delaware, and this is the first one it's built. And I'm gonna show you. Something. Now later, this shanty was added on there, and it's a single track, and it's usually swung open for boats and ships. And then when boats and ships passes through, it stays open. And when trains come, it swings or pivots in a closed position for train traffic. So I believe this bridge is still in service. And it's crossing the Norfolk River in Seaford, Delaware.